So when we say rational numbers, ayun. Wait, naglalag. Okay. Let's not eat. Okay. So still the properties of integers. Okay, so rational numbers. So in the number, or in the number 118.5 is the same as 237.2, which is the quotient of two integers. Tama?
Sir, di
Kasi
ba
when we...
makukulit si Eunice?
Bakit daw?
Makulong.
Mahina yung internet niya. So these sets of integers are closed under addition and subtraction and multiplication, but not division. Kasi nga, ayan. So, this is a decimal, tama? This is a fraction. Okay? So, the obtained quotient is not an integer. Kasi nga, it is not a whole number. Ang integer natin, it should be a whole number. So, kailangan, it is a whole number. Kasi nga may 0.5 siya, therefore, hindi na siya considered as integer.
Integer.
And this give rise to another subset of real numbers. That is the set of rational numbers. Okay? So, when we say rational numbers, ano yung rational numbers natin? It is a subset of a real number. Okay?
So can you elaborate on?
It is a subset of a real number wherein hindi na siya whole number. Okay? Hindi siya buo, pero meron siyang katumbas na number. Magulo ba?
Like decimal.
Yes. Okay. So fractions and decimals can be a rational number. Okay?
Oh, okay.
So, in other words, hindi siya buo. Yan lang. So, set of rational numbers. So, the set of rational numbers, or we can name it as Q, can be expressed as the ratio of two integers provided that the denominator is not equal to 0. So rational numbers is equal to two integers, which is the P and Q, pero yung Q dapat, or yung denominator natin, must not be equal to 0. So, more on fraction lang tayo. So, consider the fraction 3/4. So, dividing 3 by 4 gives a decimal quotient of 0.75, di ba?
Yes.
Pag hinati mo yung, yung 100, magiging 0.75. Kasi, di ba, tatlong binteng. That's the example. So, yung 1/4 nun is, 1/4 ng piso is 25 cents, tama? Or 0.25. So, let's have the 3/4. So, note that any fraction can be expressed as terminating decimal or non-terminating but repeating decimal as a rational number. So, anong ibig sabihin niya? Kapag sinabi nating terminating decimal, consists of a finite number of decimal digits. So, ibig sabihin, may katapusan ba or wala?
There is.
There is a katapusan kapag sinabi nating finite. So for example, 1.254, so may katapusan siya, and 0.87492 that have finite 90 decimal on the right of the decimal point are terminating decimal. So ibig sabihin, may hangganan. That is terminated. So kung alam niyo yung word na terminating pertains to hangganan or putol. Something like that. Meron din naman tayong non-terminating. So pag sinabi naman na non-terminating, yun yung dire-diretso. Okay?
Okay.
But repeating decimal. So non-terminating but repeating decimal. For example is 0.33333333333333. Ulit-ulit ba yung 3? Yes. Di ba? Okay. So, yun yung tinatawag natin na non-terminating but repeating. Okay? So, it has an infinite repeating digit or group of digits which is denoted by an ellipsis. Anong ellipsis? Yung tatlong tuldok, di ba? Na-discuss na natin yan. Kapag may tatlong tuldok, that is already infinite. Okay? On the right as of the decimal point. So, while 0.825825 has repeated 3 digits naman. So, ano yung naulit na tatlo? We have 825 or 825. Diba? So, the repeating digit or digits may be written once with a bar. So, paano natin isusulat pag may bar? Pwedeng ganito. So, magiging
infinite.
Magiging 0.825 bar. So, yung bar na to, oops, di makita. So, yung bar na to is tinatawag natin siya na vinculum. Okay? So, yan yung bar. So, ibig sabihin nito, it is infinite. Paulit-ulit lang siya. So, non-terminating but repeating. Nakuha?
Okay.
Okay. So, we have the terminating. So, for example, 0.25. So, ganyan na yan. May dulo. This is a terminating. Yung isa, termination. Terminating. Pero yung isa naman is non-terminating. Okay? Kasi nga, walang hangganan. But repeating siya. Okay. So, nasa na tayo? Ako nasa school. Kayo nasa bahay-bahay ninyo. Okay. So, that is vinculum. So, that is a fraction and decimal. So, example. So, write each fraction to decimal. So, anong gagawin natin? For example, letter A, 1/4. So, sa 1/4 natin, anong ginawa natin sa 1/4 na yan? Ibig sabihin lang nung bar na yon, this one, is?
Divide. We need to divide.
You need to? Divide. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, 1/4 means 1 divided by 4. So, paano tayo nagde-divide? Paano ulit tayo nagdi-divide? Paano ulit tayo nagdi-divide? Diba?
What's it? 1 divided by 4.
1 divided by 4 magiging 1 yung nasa loob, 4 yung nasa labas. Diba? Ito si divisor, ito si dividend. Tama? So, yung numerator natin is the dividend. Yung nasa labas is the divisor, yung nasa baba. Okay? So, this is the denominator kanina. Therefore, kapag ganyan, you need to add 0. Diba? Point and then 0. Dito na yung point. So, 1 divided by 4 is 0. So, mag-start ka na with 0. So, 0 times 4 is
0. 0.
0. Okay. 0 na naman.
One.
So, there's no need for that. Okay.
Mali.
So, yun yung space. 0 times 4 is 0.
Okay.
Tama? 0, 0. Bring down. So, magiging 10 na. So, 10 divided by 4.
2.
That is 2. So, 2 times 4, that will be 8. So, 10 minus 8 is 2.
2.
Dagdagan mo na naman ng another 0.
0.
Kaya magiging 20. So, 20 divided by 4,
5.
that is 5. So, 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract mo, magiging 0 na. So, ano siya? Is it terminating or non-terminating?
Terminating.
Terminating. Okay. So, the answer there is 0.25. Nakuha?
Yes.
Yes.
Or 0.5.
So, that is the conversion of a fraction to decimal. Okay. So, ganun lang. Ganun din lang siya. So, naging decimal na tayo. This is now our decimal. Kanina, fraction. So, 1/4 is equal to 0.25. Gets?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how about 2/3?
Two-thirds.
2/3. Good morning, Henry.
Morning po.
Okay, so we're discussing about rational numbers. So it is, it can be found on your module, page 21. Okay? So, recap lang muna natin for Kenry. Okay lang ba?
Okay.
Okay. So kapag, Kenry, okay na? So kapag sinabi natin na rational numbers, it is a subset of real numbers na hindi na siya whole number. So, yung mga hindi na whole numbers, ibig sabihin niya yan na yung mga fractions and decimals. Nakuha? So, ngayon naman, we're dealing with terminating and non-terminating. Kapag sinabing terminating, napuputol or may hangganan. Kapag non-terminating, dire-diretso. So, walang hangganan yon. But, pwedeng repeating. Okay?
Ano na ulit yung terminating, sir?
Terminating, may hangganan. Parang this one. 0.25, may hangganan? Yes, that's it. 0.25 lang siya. Let's try this one. Letter B, we have 2/3 or 2 divided by 3. Ayan. So, 2 divided by 3 or, di ba kanina, 2/3, yung numerator napunta sa loob or napunta sa dividend. Tama? Yung 3
Yes.
na sa denominator napunta sa divisor. So, that's it. So, that is 2 divided by 3. Okay. So, dahil hindi na siya pwede or maliit na yung nasa loob, we need to add point and a 0. So, therefore, dito na yung point natin. Mag-start ka na with 0. So, 20 divided by 3.
20 divided by 3, that's going to be 6.
That would be 6 to get 18. Tama?
18. Yes.
And then, 20 minus 18 is 2. Tama? Okay.
Yes.
So, bring down or add 0 again. So, 20 divided by 3, that would be 6. So, 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract, that would be 2, 0, 3. Okay. So, mapapagod ka ba dito? So, 20 na naman. Hanggang sa mapagod ka, dire-diretso lang yan na 6. Tama?
Yes.
Yes. So, itutuloy mo pa ba? Itutuloy mo pa ba hanggang sa maubusan ka na ng papel?
Yes. For
Yes.
science.
Okay. So, instead of writing 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, na paulit-ulit naman na, there's no need to do that. Okay? So, ang
Okay.
gagawin na lang natin is write 0.6 bar. So, anong tawag ulit natin sa bar na to?
Vinculum.
Vincent. Hindi. Vinculum. So,
Ay,
our answer now is 0.6. Pero, don't forget na kailangan yung lagyan ng bar. Kasi yung bar na to, which is the vinculum, yan yung nagsisignify na it is a repeating number that is non-terminating. So, dire-diretso. So, kapag sinabing non-terminating ulit, dire-diretso. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
let's try to have another example. Yeah.
We'll try to answer the worksheet.
Okay. So, how about expressing the decimal naman as a fraction?
Nani?
Nani? So, kanina, di ba? Fraction into decimal. So, kapag nag-convert tayo, you're just going to divide it. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how about naman if we're going to express naman the decimal into the fraction form? Babaliktad naman tayo. Okay? So, yung solution natin, di ba? Kapag sinabi natin 2/3, this one, kapag sinabi natin na 2/3, magiging 2 and 3/10 siya. Di ba? Kasi nga, di ba? Pagkatapos ng decimal point, ang basa mo
Value.
dito is tenths. May TH. Ibig sabihin, may TH yan, magiging tenths. Iba yung tenths. Di ba?
Yes, yes,
Sa whole
yes.
number natin, pag to the, ba dito?
To the right. right, to the left.
To the right. To the right. To the right. Pag to the right tayo, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and so on. Pero kapag to the left naman, we have, or yung decimal natin, magiging,
1, 2,
wala nang ones. Magiging tens, hundreds, thousands,
1,000.
10,000s, ganun na siya. Okay?
Okay.
Basta keep in mind na when we are having a rational number, it has an equivalent or it has equivalent whole number. Ano daw? Ano daw?
Just a whole number.
Okay. Okay, so let's try to do this. So 2 and 3/10. So write it as a form, as a fraction in simplest form. So magiging, so yung whole number natin is 2, tama? So that would be 2. Ayun na, there's no need to write naman na. Andito naman na siya. Okay. So yung 2 natin na ito, naging whole number. Diba? So yung naging 2. And yung 3/10 natin, dahil tenths siya, magiging 3/10. So fraction na ba siya?
Yes.
Yes. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So how about this one? 0.875. Okay. Paano naman yan? 0.875.
Thousands.
So, we can read it as, basahin natin. So, this is tens, tama? Tens,
Yes.
hundreds, thousands. Therefore, thousands siya. Okay? So, kung hanggang saan yung number na binigay niya, doon natin siya basahin. Therefore, we have 875 all over 1,000. So, pag nakuha mo na tong fraction niya, you need to simplify. So, 875 and 1,000, that would be 7 all over 8. So, you can use your calculators to finalize it. But then if you know how to simplify, you can use your mental or you can write it down. So, wait lang, ipapakita ko how to use your calculator. Do you have your calculators pala with you?
It's in the app, sir.
App? Okay. So, but then do you have your scientific calculators?
Yes.
Okay. So, wait lang. And so, if you have your calculators with you, ganito lang yung gagawin. Okay? So,
Tutorial.
875. Okay? And, wait lang, nakikita ba? Ayan.
Yes.
So, 875 and then pindutin lang yung parang L. Parang pag ganun siya. Ito. A, B, C. Yung A, tapos BC, sabi niya. Yung ito. Kung makikita nyo siya. Halos katabi lang siya ng square root. Ito.
Okay.
So, right lang yon. So, ang lalabas dapat dyan is yung parang L na baliktad.
Okay.
Over 1,000. So, pag press mo yung equal sign, lalabas na yung simplified form niya. So, that would be 7 all over 8. Okay? Nakuha?
Okay.
So, I think you need scientific calculators para mas mabilis tayong mag-solve. Okay?
Okay.
So, ganun lang.
How do you do manually, sir? How do you do mentally?
Do it manually or mentally. So, ang gagawin mo lang is to find the greatest common factor
that one.
of 875 and 1,000, di ba?
You can just multiply to each other.
Yes.
Ding 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 ding.
So, try natin. So, we have 875 all over 1,000. So, saan ba sila common? Dalawa.
Mm. 7 and 8.
Uh-huh.
I really don't
So,
know that.
parehas
It's
sila na ang factor is 125.
Really?
Yes. Try muna natin sa pinakasimple. Is it divisible by 2? This one and this
It's
one? Si
Yeah.
1,000 lang, di ba?
Yeah, only
75? How about
Only
10? How about 10?
10?
Hindi.
No.
How about 5?
Yes,
Try natin
5.
si 5 muna.
Let's try
So,
5.
5, 5. So, 875 divided by 5 and 1,000 divided by 5.
Okay.
Diba? Mas mahirap pa.
Yes.
How about pag 1,000 na yan? Paano ka nalang mag-simplify?
Ding, ding, ding. I don't know.
Okay. So, let's use 125 na. You can use your calculators naman. Okay. Okay, so 875 divided by 125, that would be 7. All over 10,000 divided by 125, that would be 8.
Sir, you're faster than a calculator.
Na-compute na natin. Ano lang naman, you can use your calculators na lang. Para mas madali. Okay.
Okie dokie.
Okay, so
Time's up.
let's
Express.
check ko lang. So, wait lang. Aha. So,
We don't do that.
nakuha na ba yung worksheets nyo?
Yes.
Okay, so reminder lang pala, tomorrow there will be no live discussions at the afternoon. So,
Okay.
so on your worksheet for this week, you only have to do the expressing rational number to decimal, that is fraction to decimal. Okay? So 3/4, 5/8, or 9/16, ganun lang. 2, and yung isa naman is fractions to decimal. Okay, baliktaran lang. Fraction to decimal and fraction to decimal.
No, di ko gets.
Fraction to decimal lang. Fractions to decimal lang, yes. Yes, ganun lang. Yung parang kanina, na mag-divide lang, that's it. Ganun lang. Okay?
Okay.
So, see you this afternoon.
Okay. You too. Bye-bye.
Okay, so 2:40 ulit tayo. So, goodbye for now. Have a nice day.
Okay, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Do you still have questions pala?
Wala.
None? Okay, 2 o'clock. 2:40. 2:40. Bye-bye.